During this past summer, Mr. Hand worked as an intern in one of the engineering buildings at the University of Connecticut. This is the building where Mr. Hand spent 6 weeks learning about engineering. This is not Mr. Hand. This is Natty, and this is Mark. This is Catherine. This is the combustion rig. Propane gas is burned with oxygen gas in the rig. When propane is burned with oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor and heat are produced. Trevor is a graduate student who studies combustion on the rig.
Okay, so we're doing a blow-off study with our combustion flame. Once we get the flame lit, we slowly decrease the equivalence ratio, which is basically like a fuel-to-air ratio. So we lower the fuel content and try and test and see where the flame blows off or goes out.
The equivalency ratio, or fuel content, is increased to 0.74 to ignite the propane.
A big idea of our study is to understand the dynamics and physics behind what's causing the flame to blow off. And so right now we're kind of just doing a smaller study, but we have a lot of diagnostic tools to look at the flame. We have some high-speed imaging to look at the flame and figure out exactly what is going on when it blows off and what might be causing that. It's important in industry. We're modeling an afterburner, basically, where this does happen in the afterburners, the flame will go out. And so basically we'd like to be able to reverse engineer things so that that doesn't happen. So first step is to understand why it happens. Thank you.
The rig did not work as expected. The researchers expected the rig to blow out around 0.65. However, it didn't blow out until 0.55. Something was very wrong. A technique called particle image velocimetry, or PIV, was used to test the airflow. Alumina powder, otherwise known as aluminum oxide, was blown into the rig. Meanwhile, a laser illuminated the alumina while a high-speed camera captured the action. The information was sent to a computer which analyzed the velocity of the air within the rig. It was determined that something was wrong. The investigators began to take the machine apart. The rig was taken apart to make sure that nothing was blocking the system.
partially blocked. The second one is fully blocked.
Okay.
And the third one, we won't know.
After the rig was inspected and cleaned, it was put back together.
Head one.
Flame. We have some high-speed imaging to look at the flame and figure out exactly what's going on when it blows off.
When it blows off.
When it blows off, and what might be causing that.